Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as you can see here, we have here four of the most popular and affordable fitness tracker in the market. What we have here is the latest, the Mi Band 8, we have the Mi Band 7 Pro, the Huawei Band 7, and the affordable Redmi Smart Band 2. Okay, and as you can see here, I have the specs, and of course we are going to compare the looks, the design, the specs of these fitness trackers. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, first we have here the Xiaomi Mi Band 8, and as you can see here, it is a beautiful body frame, full color screen display with a full touch support. Okay, so this is your Mi Band 8, and of course, released last year, we have the Mi Band 7 Pro. Okay, a fitness tracker from Xiaomi with a much wider body frame here. Okay, and we have a slim, but loaded with features, the Huawei Band 7. Okay, as you can see, it also looks good and sporty. And of course, our affordable, from Redmi, the Redmi Smart Band 2. So as you can see here, it pretty looks similar, to the Huawei Band 7 and the Mi Band 7 Pro. Okay, you're going to compare it side by side. As you can see here, you almost have the same design, just different body frame. Okay, the body frame here, it is somewhat the Mi Band 7. Okay, but the screen size is almost similar here to the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so let's put it side by side so you can see and appreciate the beauty of each fitness tracker. Okay, oops, we have here this sporty fitness tracker. Okay, when it comes to weight, so let's check. Zero, this is the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. We have 25. Okay, the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, we have 31. The Huawei Band 7, it is 28. And of course the Redmi Smart Band 2, we have 26. So the lightest, is the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Okay, so for the body frame here, so this one, it is a metallic, but it's not a metal, it's a PC material with a metallic finish with removable strap here. Okay, let's have a closer look. Okay, as you can see here, just press this one and you can remove the strap. With the Mi Band 7 Pro, it's almost similar, in method. Just press and you can remove the strap. For the Huawei Band 7, so it is a quick release pin. Okay, for the Redmi Smart Band 2, it's snap in, similar to the Xiaomi Mi Band 7, as you can see here. Okay, so different approach for the Redmi Smart Band 2. Okay, let me attach it. Okay, for the screen display here, as you can see here, the Mi Band 8 do have a 1.62-inch AMOLED screen. So we have here the AMOLED screen. Let me adjust the brightness here, although this is in auto brightness. With the ambient sensor light. For the Mi Band 7 Pro, we have a much wider screen display. 280 by 456 pixel resolution. Okay, so as you can see here, which is your pick? What do you think? Okay, for the Huawei Band 7, okay, one of our fave. Okay, so different approach also. Let me check the menu. So here's the display. As you can see here, so different icons, and there's a physical button here. Again, the screen is 1.47 inch, much smaller, 194 by 368, and it is AMOLED screen display. While for the Redmi Smart Band 2, it is a very affordable fitness tracker. The same with the Huawei Band 7 with 1.47 inch. Okay, but it is a TFT display. Okay, let me show you the icon. There. So it's also similar here. Okay, with the Xiaomi Mi Band 8 when it comes to the icons. And it has a very limited features here. Okay, for the Bluetooth functionality and sensors. Okay, Bluetooth 5.2 BLE for the Mi Band 8. Mi Band 7 Pro, we have 5.2 BLE. 5.0 for the Huawei Band 7. And the Redmi Smart Band 2 is 5.1 BLE. All are 50 meters waterproof. Okay, longer battery life for the Mi Band 8, just 2 days I think, compared to Huawei Band 7. Mi Band 7 Pro, it is 12 days battery life, and we have 14 days also for the Redmi Smart Band 2. Okay, checking on the different menus and functions here. Okay, let's compare it first with our Mi Band 7 Pro. Let's see. Okay, as you can see here, we do have auto brightness, always on display, and display. Okay, we have preloaded watch faces. Let's look for the list. Okay, list mode. Okay, we have the list mode as you can see here. Okay, so we have here. Let's start. Okay, stats activity. Okay, they almost have the same icons. I don't know if the heart rate, if they have the same. So different approach in animation. We have SPO2, the same icon here as you can see. Okay, the same UI, sleep, stress, breathing. We also have weather here, the same icon, and I guess the same functions. You also have camera control. Okay, stopwatch, music control, Alipay, and other options here. Okay, comparing it with the Huawei Band 7, so there's a physical button. If you want to access the menu, just press. So we have workout. Okay, workout status, running, heart rate. Okay, so different approach here with graphs. Okay, so it is much more detailed here when it comes to Huawei Band 7. Okay, sleep, we also have sleep here, healthy living, weather. Okay, breathing exercises, notifications, and there's a quick reply option I think for the Huawei Band 7 if I remember it correctly. Okay, so we have band display. Although the Huawei Band 7 is a year old still, it is a contender for a good fitness tracker. There's already a Huawei Band 8 with a much better design. Okay, but I think it's just minor changes. Okay, as you can see here. Although the Mi Band 8 here do have a much elegant finish, I think. This one for the Huawei Band 7, it looks plasticky. Okay, I guess this is much improved in the Huawei Band 8. For the Redmi Smart Band 2, as I have said before, it is like a watered down Mi Band 7 Pro. Okay, so very limited in features. Okay, got the basics, but not that much. It has a basic sports functions, but if you want an affordable, okay, and just simple fitness tracker, you can go with a Redmi Smart Band 2. Okay, I think for the watch face here, you can only load at least 2 watch faces. I'm going to show you, as you can see here. Unlike the Huawei Band 7 or the Mi Band 8, okay, so it is preloaded with a lot of watch faces. As you can see here, there's a lot of list. Okay, beautiful watch faces. Okay, for the design, okay, the Redmi Smart Band 2 is much thicker and has a much simpler design. Okay, Redmi Smart Band 2, Huawei Band 7, they all use a pogo pin. Okay, somewhat like this. They all almost have the same or similar, okay, charging cable. It is through USB. Okay, again, let's take a look at the specs here. Specs difference between this fitness tracker. As you can see here, the Mi Band 7 Pro do have a much bigger screen display, okay, higher resolution, but all do have an AMOLED screen except for the Redmi Smart Band 2. For the sensor, there's no, okay, ambient light sensor, I think, for the Huawei Band 7. Well, we have here for the Mi Band 7 Pro and Mi Band 8. They all have heart rate monitor and SpO2. Okay, all waterproof up to 50 meters, and they almost have the same. Okay, just slightly different. Okay, just 2 days or 3 for the battery life. Okay, again, here are the Mi Band 8. Okay, let's remove this. Let me remove that. Okay, we have here the Mi Band 8, beautiful fitness tracker, the Mi Band 7 Pro, the Huawei Band 7, and the Redmi Smart Band 2. Okay, so what's your pick for the fitness tracker? Okay, if you're going to buy one, what's your pick? Okay, please drop a comment below. Okay, and share it to other users or those who are planning to buy a fitness tracker. Okay, so that's it. Bye.